Extensive landscaping adds to the pleasing symmetry of this east side center-chimney colonial in the heart of Freeman Plat. Built in 1930, a beautifully designed addition and renovation has enhanced the property with an integral two-car garage, a spacious great room, and a magnificent new chef's kitchen. As you pass through the front door and welcoming vestibule, the foyer's rich hardwood flooring eases you into the double-parlor living room. Step along the elegant fireplace and note the crown molding tying both rooms together with a set of French doors revealing the built-in bookshelf and lovely window bench. Continue through the center hall into the fabulous chef's kitchen. Top-of-the-line appliances, including a Wolf stove and a large marble center island, make the space a tour de force of modern design. Its professional wine refrigerator keeps the party going, while its understated shaker cabinetry and paneled Subzero refrigerator create a seamless backdrop. The new adjacent mudroom lends walkout access to a handsome patio and fully fenced side yard, providing a secret hideaway to savor the seasons. Step back inside to discover the newly built great room sitting off the kitchen. High ceilings, a gorgeous gas fireplace, windows on three sides, and an additional window bench create a thoughtfully customized space. An updated half bath sits nearby as the kitchen connects you to the dining room for flawless formal entertaining. Segue down to the lower level, presenting superb zones for storage, laundry, and exercise. Take the stairs up to the second floor primary suite, featuring a new ensuite bath with a dual sink vanity, a glass-enclosed shower, and a walk-in closet accessed by a set of French doors. Step down the hall to find another comfortable bedroom, as well as an outstanding media room or playroom with luminous windows, a bank of built-in benches, and custom cabinetry. Finally, ascend a set of stairs leading to the newly renovated third floor, where two skylighted bedrooms with vaulted ceilings share a full bath, adding a gracious final touch to this splendid home. The Freeman Plat Historic District was planned in the early 20th century with consultation from the famous Olmsted Brothers design firm. Just blocks away are the Moses Brown School, the Wheeler School, and Brown University. Explore the dining and shopping of Hope Village and Wayland Square. Enjoy downtown highlights such as Waterfire and Trinity Rep, or take a quick drive to the Providence train station for easy travel throughout the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or contact the Green Sweeney team at area code 401-339-5621.